Hello everybody, got a video here on the Zircon stud sensor and AC detector. It's supposed to detect where the studs are in your walls, and it's also supposed to alert you of any electrical wires that may be running inside the walls before you cut on them or drill through them. So we'll go ahead and give it a try here and see how it works. Which right there it's detecting there's a stud. And it's showing with the red light here that there's a wire ran in this wall right around this area. As you can see, it's showing there's an electric wire in the wall there. And now you're out of the way of it, and there's actually a stud here. So this is a great little tool to have, especially if you're drilling or cutting into a wall and you're not sure what's behind it. Always check for electrical wires and that way you don't shock yourself and get hurt. But it's a great little product, so don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and comment, and have a great day everybody. Bye.